check out our newest feature release. This one is the WhatsApp integration. So what is the new WhatsApp integration? Well, our CRM now seamlessly integrates with WhatsApp, the global SMS replacement platform, allowing you to communicate with customers via WhatsApp just like SMS. Why this matters and how this is going to help you and your business. This new feature update is going to allow you to tap into WhatsApp's international popularity, connecting with a broader audience. It's also going to allow you to partner with Meta to ensure compliance and prevent any risk of service disruption. Use WhatsApp alongside SMS for easy, efficient communication with your customers. So to access this new feature, I want you to go ahead and go to Settings in your left-hand navigation. From there, you're going to locate the WhatsApp icon and click it. You're going to need to fill out all of the information requested. Keep in mind that this is a paid add-on subscription feature, and just like SMS, there is a cost per message. Now you're going to go ahead and add your WhatsApp phone number. Now let's go ahead and go back so that we can see WhatsApp in the conversations. Go ahead and click the Go Back button. And now you're going to navigate to Conversations in your left-hand navigation menu. Locate WhatsApp at the bottom. This is going to appear within the contacts where you have a WhatsApp connection within that contact. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.